so that you can put your mouth and drink. So this is the opening. Yes. So your mouth is also opening. Looks like an opening, right? See? Yes. Okay. So this is the opening. I am putting it here in the mouth. Fine. Understood?
Yes,
Okay. Now from your mouth, touch here. Can you feel there is a pipe?
Yes.
Yes. Means food from here will have to go down. Yes. Okay. So the moment you put food inside your mouth, yes, there is something inside your mouth. What is it which mixes with the food? There is a liquid present inside your mouth. Yes? Somebody said, what is it? Saliva. Very good. Saliva. Okay. The spit that you have inside, yes, the saliva, it mixes with your food and makes the food soft. Why it will make the food soft? Because your food has to go from here, it has to go down, right? So if something has to go from here to here, we need a pipe, right? Yes? Can you see? It is looking like a pipe. And it is same as the pipe present here. Okay? We call it esophagus. Okay? So this, from the mouth, it will come down. Can you see the pipe? Yes? Now, from the mouth, the pipe is taking your food somewhere. Where is that place it is taking? Stomach. Very good. So Miss has made a small balloon. Okay? She has blown a small balloon which is like which will act like the stomach. Okay? Your stomach is also this much. Okay? So we will put the stomach here. Okay? Is it okay? So this is the stomach, we are putting it here. Means food after you chew it, okay, with the help of this pipe will come to this stomach. Okay? Now after it reaches your stomach is full. Yes?